Good morning. This is just a little update on Toby. His eyes are very swollen, but he is again perfect. He's doing good. Hi, sweetness. He loves his belly rub, so right now we're just doing a little bit of this. He's doing okay. I just need to make sure he doesn't rub his face or anything like that. And he's a little tender to the touch, so still have to monitor that. But this is day one post-op, still highly medicated, so it's been a little hard, but he did pee this morning, so that's a wonderful sign. So just stay tuned for more Toby updates.